I'm Pastor Abraham Joseph, pastor of the First Baptist Church of Leogan, and I was right there when the earthquake happened on the January 12th, around 5 o'clock.
Kaila crasé, tremblement de terre crasé Kaila. Et puis là, toute chambre est tombée. On y a là. On là. À vivre sous compte grand-mère là.
As you can see, after the earthquake, it's been 6 months now, and there's still tent cities all over the place. This is one of them. They have 178 families here still. Tremendous need that's ongoing, and so RMI with Homes for Haiti wants to be one of those that is helping some of these people.
Haitiens rassemblés pas d'une pas mêlée. Oh Haitiens rassemblés, nous tous concernés. Pour ça pas bon, pour ça pas bien passé. C'est nous qui capri.
In the background is one of our first homes for Haiti. We're very excited about what's happening. We have 500 applications for homes. People need that house right now. And so our first house is actually for a pastor, Pastor Joseph, who lost his house in the earthquake. He's been living outside for the last 6 months here in the Leogan area. And now we're going to be able to provide him with a home in the next 2 days.
Nous gagnons des milliers de membres après tremblement de terre qui pas de côté, qui sont capables de rester. Donc, il y a besoin de ça, c'est une plus grande nécessité que la coulière. Donc, nous disons merci si nous avons pensé d'aider nous pour nous capables de gagner pour nous rester.
Homes for Haiti is a program where we're enabling people to have a home that will be secure, stable, particularly long-term. Our desire is to see the Haitian families have a place that they can live in for the next 3 to 5 years. That's a tremendous need for many of these Haitian families because it's going to take at least that amount of time for them to rebuild their lives.
We're here in Leogan, Haiti, which is the epicenter of the earthquake. It's been over 6 months since the earthquake hit, and in this particular location we're able to help a family that lost their home. And it's been a real blessing to be able to construct this house where the family is anxiously awaiting moving in.
This is Daniel Chalandre, and he and his wife and his twins lost their home in the earthquake. Fortunately, they were not harmed, but they have nothing left. And so Homes for Haiti has been able to provide them with a home for them to be able to rebuild their lives and move into the future. And we're very excited about this family with this home and many, many more to come, Lord willing, as we find more sponsors to enable us to help Haitians rebuild their lives.